Hello, Sophie. Okay, I'm not sure, but we'll find out. Oh, very good. What a good bird. Such a pretty bird. There you go. Good bird. Can you come on my finger? Can you step up? Oh, good bird, Sophie. Very good. You're such a pretty bird. You're such a pretty bird. Hi. Hello, Flaxine. Can you turn around? Can you turn around? Come on, turn around. Good bird. Can you step up? No. And be quite vocal about it. Okay. However, you have landed on me. Can you get back on there? Go on. Step up there. You're very pretty with my sweater. Yeah, you are. Go on. Oh. Can you come back here? Very good. Almost. Okay. Flaxine. Can we try it again? Do you think you could step up? Come on. It's okay. Aw, good bird. Very good. And back. Go on. Good bird. Very good. I don't know. We'll try it. Can you step up? Can you step up? Come on, pretty. Step up. Step up. No. Okay. Maybe tomorrow. Hello, Olivia. Now, I have already determined you're not very perch tame, but we're going to try it once more on camera. There you go. See, it's not so bad, huh? And step up. Step up. Good bird. Step up. Good bird. Very nice. And there you go. Such a pretty bird, Olivia. I don't know. We're going to try it. Will you step up? Will you step up? Aw, very good. Your feet are freezing. You shouldn't be. You've just been flying around like a maniac. Step up. Step up. Or you like the warmth of my finger? Okay. Hello, Gina. I really don't think you're going to go for this, but we'll see. Can you step up? Step up. Good bird. Very good. Step up. Very good. Can you step up? Come on. You can do it. Step up. Very good. What a good bird, Gina. Such a pretty bird. Hello, Francine. Will you step up? Very good. What a good bird. Step up. Good bird. Such a pretty bird. Not on the finger. Okay, Francine. Can we give it one more try? Can you step up? Come on. Good bird. Oh, please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Okay, you're not laundry. Get out of there. You're in the laundry basket. Hello, Jade. Can you step up? Very good. What a good bird. Can you step up? Good bird. Okay. Hope you're not like your sister. Can you step up? Okay. Okay, Jade. Let's try the finger one more time. Can you step up? You can do it. Come on. Good bird. Very good. Such a good bird. You're so pretty. You're so pretty.